What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. Let me know what you think of all the content, all the videos. Keep liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing. Join the Discord, link is below. No more waffle, let's just get straight into this. So we've got a Puma T7 tracksuit here. So T7 is like the old school tracksuits that they have. The Puma. This one's slightly different as it's only a one color. The government name of the color is Pebble Grey. It gives off like a kind of a sandy beigey type of color. It is quite an odd color, I'll be honest, but I really do like it, so that's why I got it. You know, for the summertime. And the material even is quite different to a standard, you know, Puma T7 poly tracksuit. We'll start off with the joggers. Standard T7 joggers, just slightly different material. And we've got the embroidered Pebble Grey Puma logo. T7 tracksuits a few years ago, how many years ago should we say? Pre-COVID, they had zips on the pockets. But I've bought two recently, so after COVID and stuff, and they don't have zip pockets for some reason, which is annoying because I love zip pockets. So Puma, please bring that back, man, because that was one of the reasons I actually bought the T7s. Then on the bottom, we've got the good old cuff. I really do like the Puma cuff, nice strong cuff on the bottom, so they drop really nicely. The funny thing is there is a zip pocket, but it's on the back, and I hate back pockets. I'll be honest, I don't think I ever use back pockets. Let me know if you actually use your back pocket, people, man, because I swear down I've never used my back pocket, except for like if you're at the self checkout and you throw a receipt in your back pocket quickly, but apart from that, never. And then we've got the track top. I like to store my track tops like this, so it stays like that kind of for when I wear it. Sometimes I'll clip it down with a little clip. You know, paper clip can work, whatever, just so it stays like that, because I don't like wearing them upwards or zipped up. I find that a bit odd. I like the proper tracksuit vibe. The zip here is quite weird, to be honest. I don't know what you would want to call that zip, but I don't really like that zip. I think that design's a bit rubbish. And also, why is the zip a silver metal on a grey plastic zip? That doesn't make sense to me. And you know, the normal T7 zip, the previous one was a little square with the Puma logo. That was fine enough. I don't know why they changed it. On the bottom of the track top, we've got that same sort of cuff as on the joggers. I really do like the cuffs, to be honest. Nice strong cuffs. And then one of the good things is, if you are wearing the track top, at least the track top does come with zips. I'm not sure why they would take the zips off the joggers and just have them on the track top before it would come with both, so you at least have the option, oh, can I put stuff in my pockets, can I put stuff in my joggers? Now it's just one or the other, which is annoying. So for example, if you're wearing the joggers on their own, you've probably got to carry a bag. But yeah, so made with quality since 1948 on the inside, and then it says contains a recycled material, so that's why the material probably feels different, because it's made with at least 20% recycled material as a step towards a better future. Let's just have a look. There's the style code if anyone actually wants it. So the style code is 535648-68, made in China. What is the materials? Okay, so it says the shell is 28% polyester and 96% cotton. So that's what, 126% something. I thought it was only 100%, but yeah, It should be 100% out of 100%, but that's all funny. So polyester and cotton mix. Maybe that's why it's a bit different, because normally they make them out of just polyester, so 100% polyester. So that cotton blend does make the material quite different. Not in a bad way, not in a good way. I haven't really tried it on, haven't tested it in any weather, but it's definitely a summer tracksuit. And yeah, let me know what you think of this. It is kind of an odd colour, but I'll be honest, it's really nice. Like worn. I've obviously tried it on in the mirror. Shoes or trainers at the bottom, it's got to be white Air Force Ones, man. I swear that I say that so many times, I just found like a broken record or something. But yeah, let me know what you think of this, people. Let me know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the other content, and make sure you take care, my people.